This is my daughter, and we were trying to see how the photogenic worked on her hair. This is her hair when it's dry and fluffy and all over the place. And yeah, she wanted to try it with a little bit that I had left. So before we started, of course, someone did her hair and they put these coils in it, and it took us forever to get it out. Thought they had them all out, they didn't. I washed it, saw there were still coils, so I had to go through there individually and get these things out of her head. And yeah, that was a pain. So after I got those out, I had to wash it again. Then we got busy. Can you see it? It's just a bunch of little rolled up coils. Her hair already clumps together, and that just made it even more difficult. But I had to go back in and get those coils out. So then we washed it. Her hair, the coils, the curls just fell like magic. I mean, it was just like the photogenic like melted her hair where it was long and lustrous. It clumped together a little bit, but her hair always clumps when it's wet or there's product in it. But shake your hair, Nomi. Long story short, she liked it, and that's all I was really worried about. She said she wanted her hair to be like mommy hair, so
it looks nice.
I was like, okay, I'll do my best to give you mommy hair. Shake it again.
The fluffy